Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the February Boxy Charm unboxing. Okay, so right now I just have my foundation on and I have my concealer on. So, you know, let's just go ahead and open her up and figure out what's in the box. Okay, so first off, y'all know it comes like this, and then it comes with the little paper that explains to you what comes in the box, so you don't need that right now. So we open her up. This is what it's in. This is what's in it. So we have this BIO-Mimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm. It's a serum, okay? We're just gonna keep it at that. It's a serum. And then we have a sorry, we have a coconut setting powder by, I'm probably saying this wrong, Ciate, something like that, okay? But this is the brand. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited because I love the smell of coconut. I love coconut, period. Okay, we also have a Pretty Vulgar Faux Reels. It's an extreme volume mascara. This is what it looks like. Really cute packaging. I really like the packaging, especially on this one too. These two are really pretty packaging. And then we have another matte liquid lip stain from this company. I'm not sure how to say that. That's why I don't say the name. I don't want to like get it way confused, but it's Qveen. That's them. And then we have this brush set, which I'm not sure if it's a Boxy Charm. No, because I think they would say Boxy Charm. Anyway, so it's these brushes. They're rose gold. Let's go ahead and open these up first. So we have this one. This is the medium size brush. Oh, okay. It is Complexion brush. It's nice little angle brush. Okay, here we go. Here's the brand. Hold on. Alamar. Okay, we have Alamar. I was like, am I reading this right? I was reading it upside down. Okay, so yeah, this is the Alamar brush. It's really nice and fluffy. It's not too hard. I really like the color though. Rose gold. Beautiful. Okay, so we have another brush. And this is... what is this one supposed to be? It's supposed to be a brightening brush. So I'm guessing like a little powder brush, you know. Very nice. By the same company. Really nice. It's not dense. It's not hard. You know, it's really fluffy. I like. And then we have this big one. Well, not really big, but this is a bronzer brush. Okay, guys. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. Let me see if I can see this on camera. Can y'all see that? Okay, maybe this way. You see how it has like little bumps? I don't know what that's for. Like it's like one, and then it's like in the middle it has like another layer a little bit higher than this, than the one on the edges. I don't know what that's for, but it's supposed to be a bronzer brush, so we will be putting these to the test. Okay, I'm not sure why it has those things though. It looks so weird. Look, I don't know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see that? Or maybe if I do that, yeah, I can kind of see it there. So yeah, that's really weird to see, so that's trash. Okay, so since I have my concealer on and my foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into setting my face, setting my concealer. If I can open the box. Get it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Has a nice little bow on it. It says coconut setting powder. That's all it says. Everyday Vacay. Is this even open? Like I'm over here like tapping it. I don't know if this is open. No, it's not. I wasn't even gonna get anything. Y'all, having acrylics and trying to open these little things is not fun. The struggle is real. Okay, so far it don't smell. Maybe I need to shake it up. Get off my fingers! Okay. We're gonna close it up again. We're gonna shake it a little bit. Not too much because it's gonna be like crazy. Y'all. Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, I need to hurry up before my concealer starts to crease on me. So okay, we are set. Okay. Ooh, my lips taste like it. Does not taste good. Smells good but don't taste good. Okay, do not eat it. Okay, so that's the setting powder. I really like it. Like, it's not a thick setting powder either, but you know, this is just now. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so y'all can see like my under eyes. Like, they are pretty matte. Like, I mean, besides the fact that I'm using a matte foundation, you know, but like, it's not like wait a minute, are we creasing? I don't like to crease. Take that off. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, that was that. It's set really pretty. I love the way it smells. The packaging is pretty. Like, it's chic, you know, like it's like really cute and girly. That's what I like. But so far we're good on the setting powder, but we'll see how it wears out, you know, towards the end of the video. So now we have, what is this one for? This is just a complexion brush. So I most likely use these type of brushes for blush. Well, I kind of also use them for contour, but I have one for each. But this one will be for blush, and then this one, which would be the bronzer brush, is obviously for bronzer. So let's go ahead and get into that. So we're gonna get into my bronzer real quick because we just have to. By the way, I'm using the Anastasia bronzer, powder bronzer, okay, in the shade Rich Amber. So we're gonna be going in with that brush, weird brush. I'm scared, y'all. Like, this is so big. Let's just go ahead and do it. Get it over with. Okay, you see, like, the powder got on the middle, like it didn't get on the sides. Okay, so let's just see how this goes. I don't know, guys. I don't feel comfortable using this. This feels so weird, and this brush is kind of like hard, like when you go in. like it's not fluffy like this one or the other one was, well, are, but we're gonna use it, you know. I mean, I guess it's okay. It's just really weird. Like, I'm not used to this type of brush, so it's really weird to use it, but I'm bronzed. Okay, so now we're gonna be going with my favorite blush. This is the Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade We're Going Shopping. Sorry, y'all. Sometimes I can't seem to open these things because my nose. Okay, so this is the shade, you know. Okay, so now we're gonna be using the little Complexion brush that came in the box. Just gonna tap in. Picked up good product, you know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let's just apply this really quickly. Do I look like that on camera? Do y'all see that? Or do I look fine on— look! Y'all see this little thing right here? Like, it's like dark. And I can't seem to get that to blend out. Like, I feel like it's just a dark patch. Okay, y'all, this is the one I normally use. This is a Morphe M405 brush. You know, you see it's like a little angle brush. This is what I normally use because it gets the job done and I don't have to put that much work into it. And I felt like with that one, you really had to put like work into it. And with this, like, I normally just dip back a little bit into my bronzer and I can, you know, kind of contour my nose a little from the sides. And with this big old thing, like, imagine like my whole under eye's gonna be brown. Like, you know, like, it's kind of big, but I guess it could work for others, you know. I'm not gonna be like, don't get that brush because it's too big for my face. No, like, everybody's face is different. Like, that's just too big for me. And it's weird for me, okay? So, that's that. So, these brushes, I recommend these two. The little Complexion brush and the powder brush. Is that what it's called? Brightening brush, my bad. These two, I love. They're really soft. The bronzer brush, I don't love. Sorry. I just don't. It's weird. It's too big. It's hard on my face. Like, when I go in to try to blend it out, it's dense. I don't, no. That one is just not for me. Okay, so now let's move on. And what's next? Okay, we have mascara. And then we have the lip. And then we have this. This will be at the very end, okay? So we have mascara and lip. Am I ready to do mascara? I guess I am. Okay. Let me find some mascara really quickly. Y'all, this is so pretty. Y'all, look at this. It has like little birds. Can you see that? And then let me see. Where's the name? Oh, the name's right here. You see? That is so pretty. Like, the packaging is so... you know what it reminds me of? You know in the movie Shrek, when the princess gets out of the castle when Shrek goes and gets her and she's singing to the bird and then the bird pops. That's what this bird reminds me of. Okay, so anyways, let's see. Hold on. Is this waterproof? That's not my language. Okay. Okay, it says Fox Real's Extreme Volume Mascara will instantly increase fullness and deliver long, luscious lashes from root to tip with just one swipe. Okay. Delivering a flake-free and smudge-proof finish. The creamy texture also allows it to glide on smoothly and create an intense black false lash effect that is so dramatic and long-lasting you'll forget they're all yours. I have high hopes for this now. It's not waterproof, but honey, that's okay, you know? You're supposed to take off your makeup anyways. So, I was gonna do something. I'm gonna curl my lashes. That's what I was gonna do. I'm just going in with my little lash curler. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I almost pinched the eyeball off. Okay, this one needs more. Okay. So now we're going to be going in with our Pretty Vulgar mascara. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, can y'all see the wand? Really nice and skinny. This is probably good because I can get my bottom lash line like nothing, you know? But let's see how it works. They said one swipe. One swipe. One. We're gonna do the one swipe challenge, okay? That's what we're doing right now. I think I saw my bottom lash. Dang. Okay, so one swipe challenge is now, you know, we're gonna need to go in a little bit more than usual than what they said, because they said one swipe. I mean, one swipe, it did like make my lashes like really black compared to, you know, my other lashes that have foundation all over, but it didn't what is it called, I didn't feel like they look like false lashes. Like, you see, like, they're getting there, you know? You see the difference? Like, you know, they're getting somewhere. Guys! Okay, so y'all, okay. Wait a minute. What? Look at my lashes. Okay, look. Like, lash, no lash. Okay? Okay. You need more than one swipe, but it does do what it says, okay? Like, they're not clumpy. Oh my god. This is so good. My favorite mascara used to be the one by I think it was Urban Decay. The little purple bottle. I don't remember what it's called, but that used to be my favorite one because that made my lashes like whoa. But this, oh my god, like I really was not expecting this. This is really good. I wasn't expecting to get it in my hair either. Okay, so I'm doing my other eye. Guys, oh my god, this is so pretty. I can't. my god, y'all. What? I am so shook. Wow. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my bottom lash. I swear to God, if my bottom lash grows, like they get long, it's game over for all these other mascaras because, honey, we have lashes. Without lashes, like, you know what it feels like? Well, it don't feel like it, but it looks like I have, ow, I just hit my knee. It looks like I have lash extensions. I'm like, I lost my train of thought. It looks like I have lash extensions, like really natural lash extensions. Okay, mascara come through. Okay, so then we're gonna do my bottom lash. See how it goes. I think I overdid it. I look crazy. Guys. Okay, like it's really pretty. Let me do my other eye because I feel like I look crazy. My god, guys, I feel like I have lashes, like, you know when they be doing those bottom lashes, that's how I feel right now. Let me bring y'all in so y'all can see this. Like, look, like it's so pretty. Like, what the heck? I was not expecting that. Okay, come through, pretty vulgar. Yeah, so that's 100% recommend. Okay, right now, go buy it. Okay, so enough mascara talk. Let's move on to, I keep looking in the mirror and I see my lashes and I'm gonna curl them just one more time. Okay, I'm excited. Whoa. Okay. Y'all know what I'm gonna say. Y'all should know by now what I was gonna say. Okay, so now we're just gonna go on and move on with the matte liquid lip stain in the shade Wifey. Okay, we're gonna see how this looks. Okay, hold on. I'm seeing something totally different. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Hold on. I'm showing it to y'all upside down. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it because I can't see. Like, I cannot see what shade this is. Wow. Look at that. That's a really pretty shade. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna apply this to our lips. I have a question. Comment down below, okay? When you're doing your makeup and you're about to apply some lipstick or whatever, do y'all ever have the tendency to lick your lips before? Like, that's, I feel like doing that so bad, but I don't want to. Like, I just, like, I say lips and it's like, I'm gonna say, like, let's say I'm gonna say I'm gonna apply my lipstick and then I'll be like, you know, like that, and I'm trying so hard not to do that so I can just apply. Okay, enough. Comment down below if you do that too, okay? Okay, so this is a really pretty look, y'all. I mean, not look, lipstick. Cause I mean, it's not really a look. It's like really natural, you know. Okay, so that's actually all I have for like makeup part. Like, this is let me read the instructions. Okay. Okay, it says how to use AM and PM. Apply 1 to 2 drops to cleansed skin. Okay, you know what? I just want to open it. I didn't think it was gonna open like that. Okay, I just want to. Oh, okay. Wow. Little ASMR moment. That would be so fun. Okay. So you're supposed to put this on after you cleansed your face. Okay, so it says, see on here it only says apply AM and PM 1 to 2 drops, right, to cleanse skin. Okay, but here it says use alone with other KX, my bad, active concentrates, yeah, or layer with serum or moisturizer. But isn't this a serum? I'm confused. But this is the only thing I have from this brand, so we're just gonna be using this. Okay, so let me take my makeup off or whatever, and we can go ahead and do this part. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit.